Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play dragon-only world in Minecraft. Create a new world with custom mob rules and disable all mobs except the Ender Dragon. Use commands or data packs to enforce the restriction and test in a safe copy. Bring multiple backup saves and a spare bed for respawn logistics, and plan recovery strategies for gear loss. Keep your loadout simple and reliable for repeated dragon fights. Set up your world with cheats enabled so you can install a data pack or run commands to remove mobs. Stockpile essentials like ender pearls, beds, bows, arrows, and reliable armor to handle multiple dragon encounters. Make a backup save before any major changes so you can revert if something goes wrong. Practice your dragon tactics in a controlled environment and refine them as you test the single boss scenario. Focus on consistent, safe damage while minimizing risk to your inventory and spawn point. When the dragon perches, use beds to deal massive damage, but always prepare an escape path and heal options. Prioritize destroying end crystals with arrows or careful climbs to prevent healing, and rotate gear to avoid permanent loss. After each fight, restock materials and restore backups so you can iterate until you perfect the solo dragon challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.